The security of your website starts with the installation of WordPress. WordPress installation is out of the scope of this course, but I will only discuss the security you should consider during installation. During installation, WordPress asks you many things including database details like database name, database username, database password, database host, and table prefix. WordPress stores each and everything in database like posts, pages, comments, categories, and settings, etc. Due to this reason, database is the favorite target of every hacker. So this means database security is vital for your website. This is the page where WordPress is asking for database details. Please change all the values and don't use pre-filled default values. I start from the database name. The database name should be very unique, easy to remember, but harder to guess. Usually, my database name is the combination of three things: customer name, product name, and environment. So here I enter Peter, e-commerce, and development. So Peter is my customer name, e-commerce is the project, and development is the environment. The next thing is username of the database. WordPress will use this user to access the database. Try not to use the default root user of your database because the root user has more privileges which your WordPress doesn't need. Create something similar as your database name and use here. So here I enter e-commerce user. Make sure you give the minimum required permission to this user. Most of the websites needs select, insert, update, delete, alter, create permission for the database user. Permissions like drop and create user, etc. are highly discouraged. The next field is password. The password must be at least 16 characters long and it must contain uppercase, lowercase, numbers and special characters. Create this password as complex as you can. You don't need to remember this. You can find this password in wp-config.php file after installation. You can also use online password generators to generate a strong password for you. If you don't want to use auto-generated password and want to keep something which you can remember, then please make sure it is not pwned. The next thing is database host. I want to skip this because most of the time we don't change this. The last and most important thing is database table prefix. You should change this value so that no one with bad intention can guess your database table names. Now I keep it like e-commerce underscore. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video.